if he's not grounded, you should be
Wow.
weaker,
Yeah,
right?
that was a big one.
Right, so now let go of him, and put your hand across his chest, right? So you're quite strong, right? And then when you put your hand on him, you're quite weak, right? So that's an easy test to know. Do you wanna do that?
Yeah, I do.
That
It's
was
an
actually.
it's an easy
Yeah.
way, it's a very, easy way to know. So let's just get a baseline first, or whatever leg you wanna stand on. And then the arm that goes out to the side is the arm that, corresponds with the leg you're standing on.
Right arm.
So whichever leg you want to stand on is fine. Right, so then you're, right, yeah, perfect. So if I put my hand here, and I always just put my hand here, I don't push it first.
Sit back on your heel. You get it down.
So now if I push, right, that's what it is. Now stand next to him. And instead of putting the right arm
On my chest,
on
put it
your
on
chest,
him.
put it on him.
Let's see.
And you lose your balance quicker, right?
Yeah.
So let go of him for a moment.
I am less grounded than I am attached to the horse. That's wild.
So you're strong here, now put your arm on him.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So that's one way of knowing that the horse is not grounded. You could do the same thing, you know, there are other ways, but that's a pretty straightforward way of doing
Okay.
it.